Hi, I'm Tanya Weeder, and I'm an instructor in multimedia production. Unfortunately, I'm not able to be with you live today because I'm actually currently in the classroom. So I pre-recorded this so I could still talk to you about our wonderful multimedia production program. So, if you're the kind of person who loves to find creative and innovative solutions to problems, then this is the program for you. Our aim in multimedia is to really give you a broad-based skill set so that you can adapt and grow and learn well into the future. So, instead of just having one solution for every problem, you're going to have a lot of different skills so that you can find the best solution for a client or for your employer in the future. So our program is very multidisciplinary. Our first year, you're learning a lot of individual skills, and I'll go through some of these more depth here in a moment. But you're learning those individual skills, and then the second year is more about the convergence of all of those medias, so bringing them together into bigger projects. The second year also sees you doing more specialization into a chosen area of the industry so that you can gain more specific skills in that area with your broad-based skill set. We also really get to be on the bleeding edge of technology, so right on the cutting edge, so that we have a lot of fun kind of exploring those new areas. One area that you will get skills in is design. So we are very much focused on different modes of delivery. So print, web, mobile. You learn some illustration skills and some photo editing skills, how to lay them out in like ebooks and brochures. We also do interface design, so user experience design and some user interface design, even interface design for things like virtual reality. So we dabble a little bit in all of that. You also will gain skills in web coding. So we're mainly focused on front end development, but you do get a bit of exposure to some back end development as well. We make interactive apps, things for e-learning, so to help, which is a big area right now, particularly through the pandemic, is building educational pieces for online. We also delve into some browser games and Unity game development. We do data visualizations and even 3D and VR for the web, which is an exciting new area. Here's an example of a motion graphic that a student did as a kind of visual resume. But there are several motion-based courses. So digital video, you get to do like shooting and lighting and editing, and audio, you record, edit, you make sound effects, things like that. And then in this example, this is from the motion graphics and compositing course that we have in the second year. And those kind of things can be informational, they can be entertainment, they could be things like animated logos, things like that. So there's a lot of variety in the things that students create there as well as animation. We've got some still and moving examples here, but students are learning the principles of animation, which carry them through to both 2D and 3D projects. Again, you kind of get the chance to decide what areas you're focusing your assignments on, like are they educational or entertainment or informative, those sorts of things. We also do kind of, like I mentioned, kind of the convergence of things. So in this example, a student designed this poster, but then it's augmented so that you can hold up your phone to it and then it turns into this motion graphic. So design, graphics, color theory, all of these sorts of things into a new technology. So that's kind of a fun thing that we get to do. Because the skills that you learn are very broad-based, there are a lot of different careers and places that students find employment afterwards. This is a list of current places where students are doing internships, but you can see it's a really wide range of employers and a really wide range of the types of jobs that they're doing. Because you've got that broad base, it really does give you a lot of opportunity to move into different areas of creative technologies. So that's a really exciting thing about the program. On this last slide here, I've just put my name, phone number, and email address so you could do a quick screenshot. Feel free to reach out to me if you want any more kind of specific details about the program. I'm happy to talk about it. I can call you, email, whatever is easiest for you. But I'm really excited to get to hopefully meet some of you next fall. So have a great rest of your day and all my best. Bye.